I'm Colin Singer, immigration lawyer and managing partner of Immigration.ca. Canada Immigration News Articles, May 2015. Administration errors by Immigration Canada cause hardship. Administrative errors by Citizenship and Immigration Canada are causing major problems for prospective immigrants to Canada. The problems have come to light following a recent internal review that found a high error rate in application processing. Many cases take place where candidates are receiving visas with an expiry date that has already passed. One individual who studies at Winnipeg's Red River College received a new visa with the same expiry date as his old one, and as a result of which he was unable to attend college while waiting for the problem to be corrected. In another instance, immigration officials issued a rejection letter to a Jamaican national that was dated prior to the letter of acknowledgement of his immigration application. In another case, Immigration in Canada's bureaucratic issues have put an individual on a track for deportation. Immigration officials claimed he failed to reply to letters requesting supporting documentation for his application, but both the individual and his lawyer insist they never received any such letters. These are just a few of the growing number of cases in which would-be immigrants have fallen victim to the errors of Citizenship and Immigration Canada, leading some of them to gather to protest in front of the Immigration Minister's constituency office in Ajax, Ontario. Applicants say their stories are backed up by the findings of a recent internal government review that found such errors are all too common in Canadian government missions abroad. The review concluded that there was a high error rate in immigrants' application processing. The government's internal reviews explain a lot. It is unacceptable that applicants must bear the consequence of a bureaucratic error. Such errors are causing misery for many individuals. These errors can easily be remedied, but the system is too inflexible to allow for such. The processing center that deals with temporary residence applications in Vegreville was among the immigration operations centers that came under scrutiny of the government's internal quality review. Out of approximately 995 applications processed between November 1 and December 6, 2013, officials found human error in 617 request letters sent to applicants. In most of these instances, the personnel had either failed to use correct form letters, or failed to mention the issue of missing documents, or had provided applicants inaccurate processing timeframes. But despite these findings, Citizenship and Immigration Canada has rejected calls for an overhaul, insisting that the system is basically sound. CIC claims to be focused on making the application processes and correspondence with clients simpler and clearer. In a public statement, the government has said that it has moved to a system of ensuring that perfected applications are handed in at the beginning of the process. With such practice, the government claims to be able to identify missing or invalid information earlier. However, the empirical evidence paints a much different story. Source: thestar.com.